Hi, welcome to Rouzati Rugs. In this video, I'll be focusing on Afghan rugs. Now, when you see an Afghan rug, generally you could tell it's an Afghan by the deep earthy tones, like this brown, the reds, even some of the deep blues and purples. These are all indicative of Afghan rugs. This beautiful Afghan rug is woven by the Baluch tribe, and as you can see here, there's some variation of color with the abrush going on throughout this edge. And they're well known for having an overall tribal design. You can see they have these unique stars going on through here, some of these trees in the middle, and this interlocking swirl border going through the edge. Now this is a really nice Afghan Bashir rug, and what's so special about this is the yellow color. As you can see, it's really vibrant and it's made with saffron. And this is a beautiful Afghan prayer rug. You can tell that it's a prayer rug because it has a directional pattern going this way, and also from the mosque that's right here in the center. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Rouzati Rugs. And don't forget to check out our blog on RouzatiRugs.com, where we share some great information about rugs in general. Thanks for watching.